Hello everyone, this is Accar TechUg as usual. Into this video, I'm gonna show you the quickest way through which you can get to check your your voice bundle balance or minutes balance, like the minutes remaining on your MTN number. So how can you quickly get to check your minutes remaining on your MTN number? The default way, you know it, pressing the code of *100 31 hash, but there is another way by tapping the My MTN app. So when you get to tap onto the My MTN app, here you can get to see the amount of minutes remaining on your MTN number by not dialing any code, just getting to tap onto it, and you will get to view your you get to view your minutes remaining on MTN. So that's it.